Southdown is the largest not-for-profit specialist provider of support and housing services for vulnerable people in Sussex. We believe everyone, no matter what their life experience, background or challenges, should have the opportunity to live their life to the full. In these tough economic times, more and more people are in need of care and support from organisations like ours, and every day we meet people struggling to make ends meet. People threatened with homelessness or long-term unemployment. People facing financial, social, physical, mental and emotional challenges.
We are here for those people, whether it's enabling them to make the most of their lives, better manage their mental health, secure paid employment and financial security, or have a safe place that they can call home. Promoting people's abilities is fundamental to all our services, and we believe the best way to increase people's independence is for our staff to work alongside individuals, coaching them to develop their skills and confidence. We do this through a range of tailored community-based services that support people to develop, maintain and improve their health, well-being and independence.
Over the past year we supported nearly 10,000 people and their families across Sussex. Services we provide include residential care, supported living, housing-related support, supported employment, mental health recovery services and community and specialist support services. Everything we do is driven by the needs and aspirations of the people we provide care and support for. Underpinning everything we do are our values.
Responsive to need, ethical in all we do, dedicated to quality.
Competitive on cost, focused and stable. Throughout the last year, public sector budgets have remained under pressure, which has reduced income for some of our services. Whilst we have had to reduce our costs, we have not compromised on quality. Instead, we have developed efficiencies through new models and systems to deliver modern services. To date, we have been able to meet the value for money requirement of our contract partners. 2013-14 was a year of growth and development for Southdown.
In our learning disability services, we provided support to 213 people and their families and received great feedback from them and our professional partners. 100% of people that are supported by our learning disability services said they were happy with the support Southdown provides. 90% of families said their loved ones had a good or very good quality of life. Parents of a woman supported by Southdown said, "Ruth is so happy. We're delighted with the support and care she receives and the fantastic relationship she has with the manager and all the carers. We never expected to find such a wonderful place for her after many previous disappointments."
We successfully introduced McIntyre's Great Interactions across all our services. Great Interactions is a set of communication competencies designed to improve interaction between staff and the people they support. Our positive behaviour support team is well established now and working successfully with all our services to reduce incidents of challenging behaviour by some of the people we support. This is achieved through helping staff to understand the reasons behind the behaviour and then tailoring our intervention and support. The work we do to involve the people we provide support for in reviewing and developing the services we provide continues, and our Q team has gone from strength to strength.
We also continued to invest in developing our housing support and mental health services and are providing support to over 9,500 people. This reflects the increasing need for our services. One of the young people we supported through our My Place scheme said, "As soon as I spoke to Southdown's floating support officer, Harriet, I thought I'm going to get somewhere. Having that support when you've had nothing was amazing."
Through our mental health supported employment services, we provided help to nearly 1,200 people with enduring mental health problems to achieve their vocational goals, including 300 people who secured paid employment. We also gained new contracts for mental health floating support services in Brighton, which started in February 2014.
After winning the contract to provide mental health recovery day services in Brighton in March 2013, we developed the services on offer to provide people with more choice and control over the support they'd like to receive. Services we provide now include a transformed mental health community-based day service, a recovery college and peer support services.
In April 2014 we launched our Brighton Recovery College in partnership with the Sussex Foundation Partnership Trust. The college is a pioneering way of supporting people with mental health challenges and uses education in a supportive learning environment to help people become experts in their own self-care and recovery. 98% of students said they would be extremely likely to recommend the college to friends, family or colleagues in a similar situation. One student told us,
"It was an important commitment for me to make each week and will help me to establish commitment to other things as well." We provided expert training and shared nationally the work we do with people with mental health needs.
In our Housing Support Division we gained new contracts for a number of specialist housing and employment support services in West Sussex. We successfully delivered and retained the Homework Service in East Sussex, providing housing support for over 3,600 people who are at risk of homelessness each year. As a landlord, it is important that we provide modern and sustainable housing that meets the needs of both current and future tenants. To support us do this, we conducted a thorough review of all our properties and are making improvements in the year ahead.
Going forwards, there is much to do to provide a range of care and support services for people's changing needs and aspirations. We will continue to work with public sector commissioners and the vulnerable people we support to deliver quality services that offer good value for money. And we will manage change proactively so that we can continue to play a positive and vital role in providing more support services to more people that need them.
We are a robust and successful organisation. Our turnover in 2013-14 was 24.5 million and we employ 981 staff. This means we are well placed to deliver our 2-year business plan for 2014-16, which outlines how our staff will work together to help us provide modern and effective services to more people.
You can read more about this plan on our website. Southdown's reputation for providing good quality and compassionate support and housing services is testament to the hard work and efforts of all our staff. We are proud of our staff and invest in them. The awards we have won over the past year reflect this.
In April 2014 we welcomed Neil Blanchard as our new Chief Executive. Neil was previously our Executive Director for Operations for the past 13 years. Pictured here with our Chair of Trustees Andrew Doig, Neil says, "It is a busy time for Southdown as we begin to put our ambitious 2-year business plan into action. Thank you to all our staff, volunteers and partners for their continued hard work and commitment. Together we can provide excellent support to more vulnerable people across Sussex and help them to live their lives to the full."